Hello everyone. On this occasion, I will discuss paper 52 May-June 2020. That is about probability and statistic 1. Question number 6. Find the number of different ways in which the 10 letters in the word summertime can be arranged so that there is an E at the beginning and an E at the end. The different arrangements of the letters are called permutation. Let us use 10 boxes to represent the 10 places in the letters. There are 10 letters. There are 10 box. The first box and the last box are filled with E, and there are 8 remaining box for the remaining letters in the summertime excluded E. Now, the number of permutation of 8 letters, of which 3 M's, 1, 2, 3, 3 M's are identical to each other, that is 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Thus, you can enter it in the calculator. We obtain that is 6,720. Thus that is the number of arrangement. Question B. Find the number of different ways in which the 10 letters of the word summertime can be arranged so that the E's are not together. The number of distinct permutations of 10 letters, of which 2 E's and 3 M's are identical to each other, that is 10 factorial, the number of letters in the summertime 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial. 2 factorial because there are 2 E's, and 3 factorial because there are 3 M's. That is the total number of different arrangement in the summertime for the letters in the summertime. Now, first we calculate the number of arrangement when the 2 is together. Thus we gather the 2 is to form one block. Thus this block with the remaining 8 letters form 9 objects with which 3 M's are identical to each other. Thus which can be permutated in 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial ways. So, the number of arrangement in which is not together, that is the number of different arrangement, that is this one, 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial, minus the number of arrangement with is together, that is this one, 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 3 factorial minus 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Thus enter it in calculator. This one we obtain this one 302,400 minus 60,480. Thus equals 241,920. Thus this is the answer for the question B. C. 4 letters are selected from the 10 letters of the word summertime. Find the number of different selections if the 4 letters including at least 1 M and exactly 1 E. Now, that is the scenarios possible selection, that is number of E1 and number of M3. Thus that is E, M, M, M. Thus actually this question that is about the combination. Thus a combination is a selection in which the order of the objects selected is unimportant. Thus For selection which contain 1e and 3m, that is this is the possible selection, and the number of such selection is 1. Now, when the selection contain 1e and 2m, that is EMM, because here there is one position empty. To fill this empty position, we can do it by 5 combination 1 ways. That is, there are 5 remaining letters excluded E and M, that is S, U, R, T, and I, and we want to choose one letter out of these 5 letters, that is 5 combination 1, that is 5. And then another scenario that is contain 1E and 1M, those EM. Here there is 2 position empty. We can fill this empty position with 5 combination 2 ways, that is 10. Thus the total number of such selection, that is 1 plus 5 plus 10. 1 plus 5 plus 10, that is equals 16. Question number 7. On any given day, the probability that Mona message her friend Pasha is 0.72. Question A. Find the probability that for a random sample of 12 days, Mona message Pasha on no more than 9 days. No. Here is random variable x binomially distributed, those the x, that is the number of days actually, and then probability of success, that is p 0.72. those parameter of binomial distribution, n is 12, that is 12 days, and the p, the probability of success, that is 0.72. Now the question here, that is actually no more than 9 means x less or equals to 9. Thus the question is find the probability of x less or equals to 9. Thus that is equals 1 minus px equals 10 minus px equals 11 minus px equals 12. Yeah. Now thus px equals 10, that is 12 combination 10 times 0.72 power 10 times 1 minus 0.72, that is 0.28 power 12 minus 10, 2, minus px equals 11, that is 12 combination 11 times 0.72 power 11 times 0.28 power 12 minus 11, that is 1, and minus px equals 12, that is 12 combination 12 times 0.72 power 12 times 0.28 power 0. Thus 12 combination 12 is 1, 0.28 power 0 is 1. Thus actually for this term only 0.72 power 12. No? By using calculator, we obtained this one equals 0.19372, and this term, that is 0.09057, and this one, that is 0.01941. Thus that is equals, thus the probability of x less or equals to 9, that is 0.696. B. Mona message Pasha on 1 January. Find the probability that the next day on which she messages Pasha is 5 January. Thus actually start from 2 January, 3 January, 4 January, and 5 January. On 2 January there is no message, thus that is the probability, that is 1 minus 0.72, that is 0.28. 3 January also no message, thus 0.28, the probability is 0.28. 4th January the probability, because also no message, thus 0.28. And 5 January there is message, thus the probability is 0.72. Thus all the probabilities are multiplied, thus the probability equals 0.28 power 3, 1, 2, 3 times 0.72, thus 0.0158. This is the answer for question B. C. Use an approximation to find the probability that in any period of 100 days, Mona message Pasha on fewer than 64 days. Thus, in this question, n is 100 and p is 0.72. Thus, n times p, that is 100 times 0.72 equals 72, is more than 5. N times q, or n times 1 minus p, that is 100 times 1 minus 0.72 equals 28, is more than 5. Now, since they are both greater than 5, the normal approximation is valid. Thus, normal approximation is valid since this one more than 5 and this one also more than 5. Now, for normal distribution, the mean is, that is 0 times 0.72, mean is, that is 100 times 0.72, that is 72. Variance 100 times 0.72 times 1 minus 0.72, that is 0.28, thus equals 20.16. Thus this is the variance. Thus now x is normally distributed with mean 72 and variance 20.16. Thus the question is find the probability of x less than 64. Now, by using standardizing formula, we convert x to z, thus that is pz less than 63.5 minus 72 divided by square root of 20 minus 16. Thus this is mu 72, that is mu from here, and then standard deviation, that is square root of this variance. Now here 64, here is 63.5. Thus the minus 0.5 here from 64 to 63.5 appears is necessary because you are approximating a discrete distribution by a continuous distribution. It is called a continuity correction. Thus minus 0.5, that is the continuity correction. Now, by using a calculator or tables, we obtain the value of this one, the probability of this one, that is 0.0292. Thus this is the answer for question C. Now that is all for discussion today. See you in the next video. Thank you.